John Essler says he didn't even realize how bad things were until after his surgery.
Like 8 o'clock, it was time to go to bed, and so I never noticed that. And it was like 2 or 3 days after the surgery, I realized, you know what, I don't feel that way anymore.
He had aortic stenosis, or plaque buildup, that blocks blood flow from the heart to the rest of the body.
Like any muscle, if it's working harder, it grows bigger, and that eventually can compromise the blood supply to the heart, which can cause heart failure.
The Shipley Cardiothoracic Center at Lee Health was the first program in the state and the second in the country to conduct the minimally invasive TAVR procedure.
We usually go in through the groin using a catheter about the width of my pinky, and we snake it up again, up through the aorta, across the aortic valve, where we deploy it carefully to open up the aortic valve.
Cardiothoracic Surgeon Dr. Cervantes says it's one of the most rewarding procedures he does, since patients typically feel better the next day.
Surgery was Thursday, Friday I was released, Saturday I was walking and biking.
Essler says it's given him a new lease on life.
At 76, I'm in the last quarter looking for overtime.
You can learn more about TAVR by searching for it on leehealth.org. For Lee Health, I'm Devin Turk.